Hello guys, this is your KP sir, Krishna Prakash. So this is the time where you want to know how to kickstart your GATE 2024 preparation. GATE 2023 एग्ज़ाम ख़त्म हो गया. अभी आपका प्रिपरेशन शुरू करने का सिर्फ 1 साल बच गया. So this 1 year how to plan, what to study, what subject to focus more, which subject has highest weightage in GATE examination, which subject has the lowest weightage, and what is the sequence of subjects, what is the flow of preparation. Everything for a new student, the clear-cut picture can be obtained by this video. So starting से ending तक आपका preparation कैसा होना चाहिए, कौन सा subjects पहले चाहिए, कौन सा next चाहिए, this flow of subjects, which subject have highest weightage, which subject have least weightage, and what to focus more, what to focus less. All these things which makes a GATE 2024 aspirant to become successful. All the things will be covered in this video. Stay tuned till the end of the video. You can get each and every doubt clarified for your GATE 2024 preparation. This will help you a lot throughout your 1 year GATE preparation. So let's begin the show. Before starting, most of the students are asking, what are the subjects which have been taught by KP sir? So KP sir से आप कौन सा subjects अनअकैडमी में सीखना चाहिए. So ये लिस्ट का बारे में पूछ रहे. So we can go with environmental engineering, geotechnical, fluid mechanics, open channel flow, और engineering hydrology, irrigation engineering, building material, construction management. So fluid mechanics include all fluid mechanics, open channel flow, hydrology, irrigation, all water related subjects, along with geotechnical, building material, construction management. So by these subjects you are going to get around 40 marks in your upcoming GATE examination. Let's start. How to kick start your GATE 2024 preparation. How to kick start your GATE journey. How to make the GATE journey to become more and more successful. So first of all, the student whoever going to write any kind of competitive examination, even your engineering exam also, पहले आपको एग्जाम का पैटर्न का बारे में मालूम होना पड़ेगा. You must know the pattern of examination and understand the pattern of exam. How many questions are coming, how much time is there, how many types of questions are there, and how many marks you are getting, that exam pattern, what are the models of questions they are going to know. So आपका एग्जाम पैटर्न का बारे में बहुत अच्छे से समझ होना चाहिए. सो गेट एग्जाम पैटर्न का बारे में बात करेगा. गेट एग्जाम में आपको 65 क्वेश्चंस, टोटल नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस इन गेट एग्जामिनेशन 65 questions, and these 65 questions you need to answer in 3 hours, and these 65 questions will give you 100 mark. How it will be split, how the 65 questions will be split. So that is your doubt, how 65 questions and 100 mark. Okay, 1 minute, I will explain you. How 65 questions in 100 mark. So you have 1 mark questions, 30 questions. So you get 30 marks. Out of 65, 30 questions are for 1 mark. Each can give you 30 questions, each can give you 1 mark, 30 marks. 2 marks questions are 35. In that 35 questions you can get 70 marks. So total 100 marks. So 2 marks questions are 75, 35. 2 marks questions are 35 for 70 marks. 1 mark questions are 30 for 30 marks. Total 100 marks. What are the models of questions you are having? You have different models of questions. Clearly written MCQ. So इधर लिख दिया, अच्छे से लिख दिया, ये MCQ multiple choice questions. A, B, C, D options are there. You need to select only one option as correct. This multiple choice questions have negative mark. 1 mark question को 0.33 नेगेटिव मार्क मिलेगा आपको. 1 मार्क क्वेश्चन को 0.33, 2 मार्क क्वेश्चन को 0.66. गलत होने के बाद आपको नेगेटिव मार्क्स मिल जाएगा. 1 मार्क क्वेश्चन को 1/3, 2 मार्क क्वेश्चन को 2/3 नेगेटिव मार्क ओनली फॉर MCQ, ओनली फॉर मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस, not for MSQ, not for NEAT. No negative marking for MSQ and NEAT. No negative marks. Negative marks are not there for MSQ as well as for NEAT. Means you can take a chance while answering MSQ as well as NEAT. MSQ, multiple select question. A, B, C, D options are there. More than one option is correct. A B हो जाएगा, A B C हो जाएगा, A B C D हो जाएगा, B C D हो जाएगा, B C हो जाएगा. But more than one option correct. You can select more than one. So that is called multiple select question. NEAT, numerical answer type. It is like a fill in the blank where you are going to fill only integer. Means value, number. 2.44, 3.65, only digits, numerical digits you can fill in the blank. Other than that, nothing you are going to fill. Numerical answer type that also does not carry any negative marking. Now, what are the models of questions you are going to face in GATE examination? What kind of models you are experiencing in GATE examination? One is application oriented. It is completely related to practical application of engineering subject. Before talking about models, I will talk what is meant by GATE. Please tell me guys, what is meant by GATE? What is abbreviation of GATE exam? GATE examination, graduate aptitude test in engineering. So very clearly while giving the name for the exam, IITs are giving a crystal clear picture for the students. GATE is a aptitude oriented questions in engineering subjects. आपका engineering subject knowledge में aptitude and logical thinking model of questions they are going to give. Graduate aptitude test in engineering. So it is not pure aptitude. In our basic engineering subjects में aptitude वाला model questions they are going to ask. That is GATE. That aptitude वाला model application oriented, applying the real world problems to the engineering solution. Whatever real world problems are there, we have to show our engineering solution application oriented. Analysis model, mathematical analysis for the given conceptual knowledge of engineering. Practical models. So in geotechnical engineering, we are going to excavate a trench, take out the soil, place into another place, construct some structure in another place using that soil. That is a practical model. I have excavated 100 meter cube soil from one location and going to build a earthen embankment in another location. How many meter cube soil will be built after this compaction? Like that, practical models they are going to ask. Conceptual, you focus more on this. That is where we have more conceptual questions in MSQ, multiple select question. You have to learn this from 2023 GATE. so many MSQs given in afternoon paper of 23 GATE exam, and these MSQs can test your in-depth conceptual knowledge to analyze students' ability to get knowledge from the engineering subjects. So that MSQ, yes, already I told, reasoning oriented, logical thinking, problem solving, critical time, how you are going to respond. कोई प्रॉब्लम आ गया क्रिटिकल टाइम में, जल्दी जल्दी डिसीजन देने का आप तैयारी और नहीं. फॉर दैट दे आर गोइंग टू एनालाइज रीजनिंग ओरिएंटेड क्वेश्चंस. So purely I am going to say GATE is going to test your logical thinking, application oriented, reasoning oriented skills along with engineering conceptual knowledge. इतना डीप समझा होना चाहिए आपको गेट एग्जाम क्रैक करने के लिए. और so before going to start your preparation, know your syllabus. What are the subjects are there? In that subject, what are the different topics involved in it? So पहले आप गेट सिविल इंजीनियरिंग का PDF डाउनलोड करो. And those who are preparing for environmental science and engineering, you also download GATE environmental science and engineering. Both PDFs download karo. Then after downloading, you start preparing. Take printout, please. Don't just download, save in the laptop. ऐसा मत छोड़ दो. Take printout. Then topic 1 completed, put underline. Topic 2 completed, put underline. That gives somewhat motivation to you, and also you came to know how much syllabus is pending, how much time is available, so that you can plan accordingly. So first thing you have to do before starting off your GATE journey, take printout of GATE civil engineering. If you are willing to prepare for environmental, एक साथ में civil and environmental दोनों का printout ले लो, and whenever completed topics are there, put underlines for the completed topics. So the resources, what you need to start your journey of preparation. First and foremost, class notes. The notes written by yourself, very important. The notes written by yourself by attending the lecture of the best faculty regarding the subject. Please understand, writing own notes will make you understand the concepts very well. Don't depend on seniors notes, fellow friend notes, top rankers notes और ऑनलाइन में खुद से मिलने वाला नोट्स. ये पूरा डिपेंड मत करो. आप खुद से क्लास अटेंड करो, आप खुद से आपका हाथ से लिखो, आप खुद से आप समझ कर लो कॉन्सेप्ट. While writing, you are reading the subject. While reading, you understand the concept. While understanding, आपको डाउट आएगा. ये डाउट आपका टीचर से खुद से पूछो. कॉन्सेप्ट अच्छे से समझ आएगा, डाउट भी क्लैरिफाई हो जाएगा. If you are not writing the notes, depending upon XYZ notes, who can understand the concept? XYZ can understand the concept. You are not at all understanding the concept. So please, आप आपका नोट्स खुद से लिखो, अच्छे से पढ़ लो, डाउट भी सॉल्व करो, कॉन्सेप्ट अच्छे से सीखो. Then study material. You can take any material, or even not required if you are attending the class of best teacher and making a big notes, good notes, having lot of GATE questions, lot of tricky questions, lot of numerical material का जरूरत नहीं था. But every student must carry the book, previous year question book. Compulsory PDF नहीं था, book ले लो, because that book will contain solved problems since last 30 years. So you have to practice, you have to solve. For example, today एक टॉपिक खत्म हो गया, immediately ये टॉपिक का आपका previous year question solve करो, so that you can understand, analyze yourself how much you understand from the concept of that topic. So topic by topic individually, immediately after completion of syllabus, you solve the PYQ book. Online test series. At least after 2-3 subjects completed, start writing online test series. मेक इट एज ए हैबिट, बिकॉज आपका गेट एग्जाम ऑनलाइन एग्जाम था. ये ऑनलाइन एग्जाम लिखने के लिए पहले आपको प्रैक्टिस चाहिए. सो ये प्रैक्टिस लिखने के बाद आसान हो जाएगा. सो स्टार्ट राइटिंग ऑनलाइन टेस्ट सीरीज आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग 2-3 सब्जेक्ट्स. Make the habit of writing every week 2 exams at least, so that it will be easy for final examination. So make your total content of subject into short notes and charts. Short notes में important theory, important formula. Charts tables लगा दो, standard values, different parameters, and whatever required in the form of a bulk you throw into chart. Make a pie diagram or a chart or a tree so that it will be easy to remember in the brain. If you simply write pages, paragraph, storage in the brain will be complicated. If you make a diagram, if you make a flow chart, that will be easy to store in the brain and can analyze the concept. So now we are discussing about distribution of marks. Total 100 marks in the gate, 15 marks from general aptitude, 13 marks from engineering mathematics, and all our technical subjects. See this one, 15 marks from general aptitude, 13 marks from mathematics, 72 marks from technical subject. Means 28 marks from general aptitude, logical thinking, math, verbal ability, all included 28. So how much importance you are giving to technical, same importance you give to aptitude and math also. Very, very important. Don't deviate math and aptitude preparation. Because as I heard from 2023 students, most of them facing trouble in solving mathematics. So let's begin the journey of 2024 with that difficult subject mathematics, because mathematics will give basics for fluid mechanics, structural subjects, geotech. Even it will make your aptitude become easy if you know good basics of mathematics. So now we will discuss sequence of subjects. Flow of subjects or sequence of subjects. You can start your journey with so first I have divided your subjects into 3 patterns. So first one with respect to math you can start, second one with FM, third one with SM, strength of material. So you can start any 2 subjects, mathematics and FM or FM and SM. Any 2 you can start. Mathematics include 13 marks, FM 5 marks, strength of material 5 marks. If you have finished both fluid mechanics and strength of material, that will be basis for geotechnical engineering, which will have around 14 to 15 mark. Both FM and SM खत्म होने के बाद आपको जियोटेक आसान हो जाएगा. Basics of fluid mechanics and basics of strength of material, that will help you to understand geotechnical engineering very well. So my suggestion to the first time starting students, either you start with math and FM or you can start with FM and SM. Any 2 you can go ahead. That will be the best pattern. These are the basics you are going to learn. After mathematics completed, start aptitude. Parallelly, FM completed, you start OCF. FM, SM both completed, you start geotechnical engineering. Then aptitude, OCF, geotechnical एक साथ में चलो. First 3 FM, SM, math. Next 3 aptitude, open channel flow, geotechnical engineering. Then aptitude completed, you start transportation, which carry 9 marks. OCF completed, you start environmental, which carry 11 marks. Very, very important subject. Geotech and environmental are the heart of GATE examination. You know 4 subjects. मैथ, एप्टी, जियोटेक, एनवायरमेंटल से खुद से 50 to 55 मार्क्स, समटाइम्स 60 मार्क्स ऑल्सो विल कम. सो आपका पहले टारगेट ये हो जाएगा, मैथ, एप्टी, जियोटेक, एनवायरमेंटल, हाई वेटेज सब्जेक्ट्स. Your target dream to finish as early as possible. Then you can go ahead with environmental, transportation and structural analysis. So environmental, transportation, structural analysis 4 marks, transportation 9, environmental 11. After the transportation completed, you go with construction material management, then surveying. It carry 4 mark. So after environmental completed, go with hydrology and then irrigation. SM, SCA, RCC, steel. I will repeat the order, very easy for you. You start your journey with fluid mechanics. Fluid mechanics completed, geotech शुरू करो, OCF भी शुरू करो parallelly. Geotech and OCF खत्म हो गया, environmental. Environmental के बाद hydrology irrigation. This is phase 1. Phase 1. Phase 2 क्या है? Parallel phase I am talking. Parallelly. Math, aptitude, transportation, construction material management, surveying. This is another path, another parallel path. Then next parallel path, strength of material, structural analysis, RCC and finally steel. Now you are getting doubt. At a time 3 subjects. हो जाएगा हमसे. इफ यू आर डेडिकेटिंग फुल टाइम फॉर गेट प्रिपरेशन, 3 सब्जेक्ट एक साथ में हो जाएगा. कॉलेज गोइंग स्टूडेंट को कैसा हो जाएगा? कॉलेज गोइंग स्टूडेंट आपका टारगेट कैसा हो जाएगा? पाथ 1 एंड पाथ 2. फर्स्ट यू फिनिश पाथ 1 एंड पाथ 2. मैथ्स, एप्टी, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन, कंस्ट्रक्शन मटेरियल मैनेजमेंट, सर्वेइंग पाथ 1. FM, जियोटेक, OCF, एनवायरमेंटल, हाइड्रोलॉजी इरिगेशन. ये पूरा खत्म होने के बाद लास्ट टाइम मिलने के बाद ऑल दीज फेज 1 फेज 2 सब्जेक्ट्स खत्म होने के बाद थर्ड फेज को चलो. बिकॉज थर्ड फेज में सिर्फ आपको 15 से 20 मार्क्स मिल जाएगा, बट फेज 1 फेज 2 कंबाइन में आपको 80 पक्का मिल जाएगा. सो यूर फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट टारगेट फॉर कॉलेज गोइंग स्टूडेंट्स, पाथ 1 पाथ 2. टेक मैथ्स एंड FM हो गया. Then take aptitude, OCF, GTE हो गया. Then environmental, transportation हो गया. Construction material management and hydrology irrigation. After that finally surveying. If you finish all this, you can get 80 marks. So path 1 path 2 अच्छे से follow करो. So guys, take the screenshot of this. I am moving aside. Take the screenshot of this. That will be helpful for you to understand the path. I am moving aside. चलो नेक्स्ट. So here I provided you the clear cut weightage in terms of table, very good table. So in this table very clearly we have mentioned subject wise weightage. Geotechnical 12 to 14, nowadays it is reaching to 15 also. 2023 गेट में 15 मार्क्स आ गया. Environmental 10 to 12 maximum 12 मार्क्स मिल जाएगा. Transportation 8 to 10, strength of material 6 to 8, open channel flow and surveying combinedly 7 to 8, then hydrology 6 to 8, hydrology and include the irrigation also, not only hydrology, you can include hydrology and irrigation also included 6 to 8, plastic theory 2 marks, 1-2 marks क्वेश्चन पक्का मिल जाएगा प्लास्टिक थ्योरी. एंड यू नो वी हैव गिवन दिस एप्टीट्यूड, न्यूमेरिकल एबिलिटी, वर्बल एबिलिटी 15 मार्क, इंजीनियरिंग मैथमेटिक्स 12 to 13 मार्क. दिस टोटल इंक्लूडेड 80 मार्क्स फॉर यू. दिस टोटल दिस टेबल से आपको 80 मार्क्स मिलेगा. समझ आ रहा है? सो अगेन यू वांट टू टेक स्क्रीनशॉट, स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो आपको. That will help you a lot throughout your journey of preparation for GATE. Now, from the remaining subjects, structural analysis, RCC, steel, mechanics and irrigation. So, structural analysis से 4 to 5 marks, 4 to 5 marks, RCC 5 to 6, construction material management 3 to 4, steel excluded plastic 2 marks, mechanics 0 to 2, irrigation 0 to 2. So that is why these are small subjects, less weightage subjects. I have written important topics also very clearly mentioned over there. Please check it out. For structural analysis we have trusses, matrix method, static and kinetic indeterminacy. For RCC, basics, shear, slab, pre-stressed concrete, singly reinforced beam. CPM part from construction management, cement from building material. Because building material is a huge subject, but सिर्फ आपको एक क्वेश्चन आएगा 1 mark. So instead of studying that much huge building material, just go through cement, that will be enough. Construction management 20 hours में खत्म हो जाएगा, आपको आसान से 2-3 मार्क मिल जाएगा easily. Then steel में riveted joint and welding joint important. Engineering mechanics में you can go with free body diagram as well as equilibrium forces, and recently they have added SDOF system. That SDOF system will play very big role in getting the marks. So how to make the preparation journey easy? For that, see, I have divided it into 3 categories. Big subject and most important. Big subjects most important. You know that big subjects and very, very important already just we have studied. I can write the list here. Big subjects, environmental engineering, geotechnical, transportation, math, apti. These 5 are big subjects. Phase 1. Phase 1 में चलो, big subjects which are high important. Environmental, geotech, math, apti, transportation. 5 big subjects which carry more than 10. Because environmental 10 to 12, geotech 14 to 15, math 13 marks, aptitude 15 mark, transportation 8 to 10. पक्का आपको 8 का ऊपर भी हो जाएगा, 8 का नीचे नहीं आएगा. Very, very important, these 5 subjects. 5 subjects. Then next phase, small subjects but very important. 3 to 4 marks मिलेगा आपको. ये small subject से आपको 3 से 4 mark मिलेगा. You can write hydrology, small subjects. Hydrology finished in very less number of hours. Open channel flow finished in very less number of hours. OCF से 3 mark मिलेगा. Surveying से 4 mark मिलेगा. Then construction management CM. Construction management से 2 से 3 mark मिल जाएगा. And you do plastic analysis 2 marks you can get. Irrigation, only important topics you can do, you get 2 marks from irrigation. So hydrology, OCF, surveying, plastic analysis, construction management and irrigation. ये पूरा खत्म होने के बाद देखो 4 plus 3 7 plus 4 11 plus 3 14 plus 2 15, around 15 marks. This is the lowest marks from these subjects, and all these subjects you can finish in 1 month easily. You may take, you are studying for first step 2 months. 2 months में आपको 15 marks खत्म हो जाएगा. हाइड्रोलॉजी, OCF, सर्वे, कंस्ट्रक्शन मैनेजमेंट, प्लास्टिक एनालिसिस, इरिगेशन 2 महीने में खत्म हो जाएगा, आपको 15 मार्क्स मिल जाएगा. एंड हियर मिनिमम कम से कम एनवायरमेंटल, जियोटेक, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन, मैथ, एप्टी 60 to 65 मार्क्स मिल जाएगा. सो टोटल दोनों ऐड करने के बाद 75 to 80 मार्क्स. इधर 60 to 65, उधर 15 मार्क्स, टोटल 75 to 80 मार्क्स मिल जाएगा आपको. देन बिग सब्जेक्ट्स but less weightage, not important means weightage is less, subject is taking more time. To finish the subject you need more time, but number of marks you are getting is less, which include FM, SM, RCC, structural analysis. But you can't neglect FM and SM because those are the basic subjects which are needed to finish geotech, which are needed to finish all structural engineering subjects. The basics of FM and SM very, very important for you, but still you are getting less marks. FM say 4 to 5 marks, strength of material say 6 marks, RCC 5 marks, structural analysis 5 marks. So total 20 marks you are getting from it. 20 marks you are getting from it. So based on that categorized, if you have a strong foundation of FMSM, directly you start with big subjects which are most important. नहीं होगा तो पहले FMSM खत्म करो, then you start the big subjects. But maths and aptitude you can start anytime. Core technical subjects based on weightage शुरू करो. नहीं होगा तो पहले FMSM खत्म करने के बाद then you start with the big subjects. So this is called golden triangle of success. What is golden triangle of success to get the rank? पहले आपको अच्छे टीचर ने ढूंढना पड़ेगा. The teacher who will teach each and every concept without leaving anything. The teacher who can solve all the GATE models, all the previous year questions of GATE and ESC and give more tricky questions, more question practice. Attend that teacher's class. Write notes by yourself by attending the class. That is the central part of golden triangle. After completing the class, solve previous year question, then practice question from material or given DPP by teacher, then bar revision. So teachers notes लेने के बाद PYQ solve करो, practice question solve करो, revision करो. ये बार repeat होना चाहिए. That is the golden triangle of success, where the teacher and his notes play big role. After that, your repeated practice of questions, PYQs and revision, that will play very, very important role in achieving the success. Finally, the last 5 tips to crack GATE with top rank. Conceptual clarity. आप अच्छे से पढ़ लो, इतना कॉन्सेप्ट पढ़ो, आपको ज्यादा क्लैरिटी होना चाहिए. Very deep and in detailed clarity regarding the concept. Specific content specifically related to your competitive exam GATE. एग्जाम का बारे में स्ट्रैटेजी अभी तक मिल गया आपको, स्ट्रैटेजी हो गया. आज एग्जाम कैसा करेगा, कौन सा सब्जेक्ट पहले पढ़ेगा, कौन सा सब्जेक्ट लास्ट में आएगा, ऑर्डर, फ्लो एंड सीरीज आपको मिल गया. एग्जाम स्ट्रैटेजी मालूम हो गया. क्रिएट योर ओन नोट्स. आपका नोट्स आप बनना चाहिए खुद से, दूसरा नोट्स में मत डिपेंड करो. फोकस मैक्सिमाइज करो, अच्छे से फोकस मैक्सिमाइज करो. देन टेस्ट स्पेसिफिक प्रिपरेशन. आप गेट को तैयारी हो रहे, गेट PYQ सॉल्व करो, गेट मॉडल ट्रिकी क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करो, गेट मॉडल ऑनलाइन टेस्ट सीरीज लिखो. कौन सा टीचर से गेट मॉडल्स का टिपिकल क्वेश्चन आ रहे, उनसे क्लास करो, अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस करो. एग्जाम स्पेसिफिक प्रिपरेशन, बिकॉज सो मच कंटेंट अवेलेबल इन द नेट. यूट्यूब में मिलेगा, स्पेशल क्लास में मिलेगा, प्लस क्लास में मिलेगा, फ्री में मिलेगा. सो मच कंटेंट. ये कंटेंट से आपको क्या चाहिए, गेट एग्जाम के लिए स्पेसिफिक कंटेंट लेना चाहिए, यूज करना चाहिए. एग्जाम स्पेसिफिक प्रिपरेशन, that will play big role. Besides all this, this GATE and ESC preparation to achieve top rank, at least it needs 1 year or 1.5 year preparation. During this 1 and 1.5 year preparation, believing yourself is the most important secret of success. Because 1 month we prepare very seriously in the beginning, डिमोटिवेट हो जाएगा. डिमोटिवेट होने के बाद ये छोड़ के और दूसरा एग्जाम का बारे में सोच रहे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यू स्टार्टेड गेट एंड कंप्लीटेड 1 मंथ, और दूसरा आदमी आ गया बोल रहे, अरे बाबा SSC JEE नोटिफिकेशन आ गया, चलो SSC JEE पढ़ो. गेट पूरा बंद करके SSC JEE के चल रहे. और 1 महीने हो गया, सडनली आपका स्टेट एई का नोटिफिकेशन आ गया, अरे बाबा स्टेट एई का नोटिफिकेशन आया, छोड़ो एसएससी जेई, हम स्टेट एई का भर लें। ऐसा मत करो प्लीज। एग्जाम से एग्जाम ऐसा मत प्रिपरेशन करो, आप सब्जेक्ट को प्रिपरेशन करो, कॉन्सेप्ट सीखो। कोई एग्जाम आ गया, आ जाओ, you can write every exam in your path of preparation. Learn conceptual learning, subject point of view, not for exam point of view. And it will take time to achieve the big success, to achieve top rank in GATE, to become IAS officer, to get a government job, to crack SSC JEE, to crack any kind of examination. It will take time. But during this journey, आप डिमोटिवेट मत करो, आप आपसे खुद से बिलीव करो। इफ यू बिलीव योर सेल्फ, नो बडी विल स्टॉप यू। सो डिमोटिवेट मत करो। सेल्फ मोटिवेशन, दैट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन द पाथ ऑफ योर जर्नी टुवर्ड्स ए कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम। सो द फर्स्ट स्टेप ऑफ सक्सेस इन द कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम इज बिलीविंग योर सेल्फ and motivating yourself. That only become successful, made you to become successful in any kind of exam. So if you want to finish successfully the exam preparation, start early. When you are in the third year, when you are in the second year, अभी शुरू करो। अरे थर्ड ईयर में क्या सोच रहे, अरे 1.5 year इज देयर, उनके बाद में बात करेगा। सेकंड ईयर में अभी शुरू किया इंजीनियरिंग, क्या चीज है हमको गेट के लिए, ऐसा मत सोचो। सिर्फ 1.5 year, 1 year और 2 years लगेगा टॉप रैंक लाने के लिए। सो दैट स्टार्ट योर प्रिपरेशन ईयरली, मेक ए प्लान, परफेक्ट प्लान स्मार्टली, लर्न द कॉन्सेप्ट्स वेरी वेरी डीपली, practice wisely. Immediately after completion of subject, practice online test, practice PVQ, practice new question, and prepare without any deviation consistently. So start early, plan as per today's session. You can plan smartly, learn the concepts very deeply, practice again and again and again wisely, then prepare consistently so that you can achieve the success. Finally you are going to finish सक्सेसफुली। नहीं होगा तो नहीं हो जाएगा। सो आपको खुद से एक एनी क्वेश्चन यू वांट टू आस्क, एनी क्वेरी, आई एम हियर टू सपोर्ट यू एनी टाइम। योर केपी सर इज विथ यू। सो दिस इज अवर टेलीग्राम चैनल केपी सर स्टूडेंट्स। our telegram channel is KP Sar Students, or else personally if you want to send me a message, KP Civil is our telegram name. My personal telegram name KP Civil, channel name KP Sar Students. इधर ज्वाइन करो, आपको लिंक्स मिल जाएगा, फ्री क्लास मिल जाएगा, पीडीएफ नोट्स मिल जाएगा, आपको क्या चाहिए प्रिपरेशन के लिए खुद से मिल जाएगा हमारा टेलीग्राम चैनल में। And we are going to launch a new batch for GATE and ESC 2024 as well as 2024 with the basic subject. As I told previously, fluid mechanics is the basic subject without which you can't study geotech, you can't study all water related subjects. So we are coming up with fluid mechanics. I am going to teach from 17th February onwards, 1:30 p.m. every day. So join with the best teacher and the basic subject so that your journey towards GATE exam will be most successful.